Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In our last video, we looked at the laws of logarithms and we looked at three laws. In today's video, we'll be looking at another three laws of logarithms. Okay, so the first we are going to see today is a raised to the power of a, that is log a to base a, is equal to 1. So when you have the base and the logarithm to be the same, you get 1. And then when you have log a raised to the power of m to base a, it gives you m. Because we saw in our last video that if you have an expression like this, you can take the m here. So we can have something like this, m log a. So we saw that in our last video, laws of logarithm part 1, that if you have an expression like this, you can take the power here to multiply the logarithm. So you have something like this. And then now we have seen that log a is 1. So log a to base a is m times 1. And m times 1 gives you m. So that's why this is now this. And then when you have log 1 to any base is equal to 0. Okay, log 1 to any base is equal to 0. So bear this in mind, and then we use them to solve simple problems. Okay, so our first question, we are going to simplify solution. We are going to simplify log 24 base 3 minus log 8 base 3. Now we already know from our previous video, laws of logarithm part 1, that when the base are the same and in subtraction, we divide the logarithms. So we say this is log 24 divided by 8 to the base 3. So please, if you have not seen a video on laws of logarithm part 1, please see that video before you see this video, okay, to help you get a better knowledge. Alright, so we have this now. So 24 divided by 3, we already know that is equal to log 3 to the power of, so we have log 3 base 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3, and then we have 3. So log 3, as we know from this law, is equal to 1. Pretty easy, right? Good. Now let's see the second question. This is A. So B we have log 2 to the power of 8 plus log 3 to the power of 9. So here we can have this to be log 2 to the power 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3, right? 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3, plus this is log 3, and 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, I think that is easy. So now we can apply this, where you have m is equal to m. So here we have 2 to 3 will be equal to 3, plus, and here we have 2 will be equal to 2. Okay, and then this gives me 5. Pretty easy, right? So you get yourself familiar with the laws and try to simplify your problems, and then you get results very easy. Lastly, and that is pretty easy, log 5, log 1 to base 5. So we said log 1 to any base is equals to 0. So this gives us 0. That's all. So please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. As well, you can follow the page for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.